All right, December, what did I just say, 14th? Anyway, December 14th, I think it is, 2023, my Turbo S. Doing a battery change, already got it out. I didn't think about videoing it before doing this. There's the old battery. That's the old battery there. The dates on it were 48 week of 16. The car is a 2017. And that's right, I already brought the new battery out here, didn't I? Battery is, step around here, turn it around. All right, new battery is the Interstate 87, 850, 36 month. And let's see here, 11 of 23. I haven't taken these off yet. I'll take those off later when I get ready to put it in. But anyway, that's the new battery. I'll finish the video here shortly after I get it put back in and get my scanner out and register it to the car. All right, new battery back in. Of course, I haven't tightened down the battery stay just yet. I'm ready to handle that. I got my battery tender plug on, which actually I don't even use that. I use the CTEK into the cigarette lighters. That's what I usually do upstairs. This is not where I normally keep the cars down. This is the downstairs garage. Anyway, I'm going to tighten it all back up and put everything back together. This is pretty easy, actually. I just got to register the battery with the iCarSoft programmer. Back in a second. All back together. That was simple enough. Tight. That battery stay down there is tight. Terminals are tight. I think I put that one back on there. Yep. Everything's tight. All right, now is the time to see if it starts right up. Had this little gizmo, hopefully supplying a little bit of power. It's like a little jump starter. I don't know if it's working or if it worked or not, so I didn't lose my settings. We'll find out. Yeah, I guess I did lose. I guess I did keep my radio settings. And that came back up to where it's set for the key. Let's see, what time is it? (12/14, 2023 rather. Time up there is good. Let me check something. Individual mode. Yep, so I don't have PDCC on and no arrow for individual mode. Sport Plus. So I guess it remembered my individual mode. It remembered everything. That's kind of cool. Battery change at 35,473. 35,473. All right, changed battery, but haven't done anything resetting anything. Output related 45%. %, battery aging So yeah, I need to reset all that stuff. All right, so we forgot to do that. I gotta remember what battery to put in there. Gotta go back and take pictures, look at the pictures rather, before I finish recording. All right, I'm just gonna use the numbers because I keep reading on Renlist that it really doesn't matter about the 15 digits. You just have to have that 205, the space, whatever. So let's see what happens here. F2, please enter 11-digit battery part number. Can't remember if they said you can make that up too. I'll go back and look. All right, so I'm just using the ones off the picture on Renlist for a stock battery. I think it's the exact same numbers that were on my battery, maybe. We'll find out. Operator message, capacity 80, AGM, scanner code, part number. All right. F2. Application complete. All right, now let's go back and look, see if it says anything about the history of the battery. All right, now I think I got where it needs to be. So it is back to 100%. All right, that's what I needed to know. No clue what this does, but let's see what it says. Also 100%.